Hey loves, and welcome back to another wig transformation, wig review, wig try on video. And today's video is in partnership with RPGSHOW. I've worked with them a couple of times. I'm kind of excited for this wig because I've never really had a wig in this style. Now this wig came in this bag right here. You can use this bag to store your wigs, which is what I do typically, but you also have this box right. So this is the packaging that the wig comes in. I'm gonna quickly open this up. Again, anytime it's RPG, it's always gonna give luxury. I'm gonna quickly open this up and see what we have in here. This is the units we are going to be trying on, but as usual, I love to show you guys what comes in the box as well. We have this taming wax stick for styling. Have this card. It's a branded card with the logo as well. We have a wig cap. We also have an elastic band, also branded as well. And we have some tapes, I believe. And then we also have this wig bag for storage as well. But again, you do have two bags to potentially store your wigs, so yeah, that's something to take note of. Let's quickly just safely unbox this. I usually love how their wigs come packaged and styled as well. I don't know if you guys can see, but the wig does have a bit of curl and taming as well. Now you see it, the lace and the plucking of the lace makes a huge difference. And with this, I don't know if you guys can see, definitely you will see the lace is so fine. The knots are barely even visible and it's giving what it's supposed to give. This is a brown wig and I can see a little bit of like brown highlights, different tones of browns, and I feel like this will look so good. The lace color is a tinted transparent Swiss lace and in the shade light brown. So in terms of the wig construction, it's a 13x6 lace front wig. You do have combs at the sides. I'm not a fan of these combs because I feel like they usually tug on my scalp and my hair as well. We also have combs at the back and an elastic band as well that could be adjusted. Now we also have this strap over here as well for extra security. So I can see about 1 inch of lace right here at the back. So in case you want to like style this in a ponytail, it will look so good because this is what the back would look like, right? So you do have that as well at the back. So I'm going to quickly put this on, but first I like to kind of tighten the band so that way it's really secure on my head and take it all back. Definitely, it does require a little bit of further styling, but just by looking at it, we can kind of see or get the gist of this hair. Let's take this hair back and then we can kind of like cut up the lace. I just want to tighten the band a lot more so that way it's very snug on my head. Look at this. Look at the lace. So like if I wanted to do like a side part, definitely I can do that because this is a 13x6 frontal wig. So I could definitely style it to the side and give myself a bit of bang as well. Oh, okay. This wig came in a center part. I'm going to style it in a center part and then you guys can see what it looks like. Let me separate this too. A little bit of hairspray and just spray the roots right here. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but look at that lace. Look at that lace. Oh, it's tempting me to like lay down so you guys see that it is 100% glueless. Yeah, let me just hold that part right here, like so. Let me just take a little bit from this side. I just want to create a bit of layering and framing so that way the bangs kind of go like from that to like that way. I mean, you can leave it as is, but I feel like it will just look a lot better this way. So I'm not doing too much, just a little bit of layering. Let me try to give this a bit of curl. I'm going to curl this. Oh gosh, look at what I'm looking like. Hey, hey. I was thinking I was straightening this hair, but now that I'm looking at this, I'm like, there is something about this. Okay. Oof. My God. My God. Okay, this is the look. Let me just do a little bit of spray just to kind of tame that, add some volume. And this is what this hair looks like right here. I feel like if I straighten this hair, it's going to look boring. Like this waves is where the fun is at. This is giving it life and it is giving it texture and volume and character. So, and if you feel like this bangs are disturbing you, you can pull them to the side as well. But I'm gonna leave it as is because, like I said, again, this is the style. And this is their Wispy Bangs layered human hair wig. I'll leave all the details right here so you guys can see as well. This is in the length 20 inches, as you guys are seeing. This is what it looks like from behind as well. In terms of the cap construction, this is a 13 by 6 Glueless Fit 2.0 Swiss lace front wig, and this is in 200 density as well. What I'm curious to see is how this hair would look like if I decide to style it in a different style as opposed to how it came with. I just want to see what this would look like in probably a side part. Let me figure out what side I want to use. Do I do this side? What I'm noticing now is I'm seeing a bit of tracks right here. So right here is as far as the styling in terms of if you want to style it like a side part, but you do have about 2 inches worth of lace right here. Let's see what we can do with it. We're still working with the bangs, so we'll just figure out how I want this bang to go. Try flipping it out and see what it's gonna look like. Ooh, if that was a good idea. I'm not sure if I like it out. Let me try it in again. Oh yeah, this is what this hair looks like when I put it in a side part. Again guys, remember it is glueless, I did not glue this down. And yeah, if you want to get $100 off your purchase, definitely use my code. Use the code Kelechi, and this is for orders above $400. But yeah, this is what this wig looks like. A huge congratulations to RPGSHOW on their 19th anniversary, guys. I wish you guys an amazing year, and I cannot wait to celebrate the 20th with you guys. Thanks for working with me consistently and continuously, and thanks for making bomb units like this. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section on this unit. Pretty easy to install, and I love how this looks just out of the box. You can definitely feel free to, you know, cut more layers. If you feel like you want the bangs to be a bit shorter, you can cut it off, but I definitely like the length. I feel like I can work with it, because with this I can pull it to the side. And yeah, so thank you for watching up until now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay blessed and you stay fabulous. Bye guys.